Did you know why metals shine so beautiful? And metals are useful as they give us precious things you can see in the image. And metals are hard enough to make machines of any type. They are used even in aircrafts. Aircrafts has changed the world so much, and the aircrafts are so precious and useful. And metals carry electricity to our homes, so it enlighten our homes and offices and added comfort to our lives. So this is the art of metallic structures, which give metals so many properties, and we use metals in so many applications. It is the art of the metallic structures. So in metal atoms pack so nicely and give such an arrangement to give such a fascinating properties to metals. So look inside metallic structure. Here is a metallic crystal of copper solid. And you can see here atoms are arranged in the form of layers. You see in the structure. So atoms are packed in a special way, making some compact crystals. Here atoms are static but electrons are freely moving. In this video section, we will focus on close packing of metallic structures and the atoms in metallic solids. So here is the metallic solids with closed packing of atoms in it. So metallic solids are of two types with closed packing. One is the hexagonal and second one is the cubic closed packing. First one type which we are going to discuss is the hexagonal packing. This hexagonal closed packing is also termed as HCP. Here the pattern is AB pattern, in which the layer A and layer B are distinct and they repeat over each other to give a compact pattern of the layers. This is the crystal lattice for hexagonal closed packing. You can see here atoms are stacked in the form of layers over each other. And now this is the hexagonal unit cell. Here atoms are in the form of hexagons of 6 atoms in one hexagon, and these hexagons are layered above each other to give AB packing of layers. And look, free electrons are responsible for the conduction of electricity and heat through the metals. And now another type is the cubic closed packing of metal atoms. The cubic closed packing, that is CCP, is characterized by the layered pattern is ABC. Here 3 layers, they are distinct. So A, B and C are different layers, and arrangement of the layers above each other is distinct. The coordination number is 12. The examples for such solids with the cubic closed packing is aluminium, copper, gold. Now look at the crystal lattice. This is the cubic packing of the copper crystal, in which the cations are arranged in this distinct fashion. And this is the face-centered cubic unit cell of copper, in which you can see the cubic arrangement of the copper cations. Look at the copper cations are residing at the corners of the cube, and one more copper cation is in between the face of 6 faces. See here the sea of electrons which is moving, and this is the conduction of the electricity, and This conduction is due to the moving of the free electrons throughout the crystal lattice. So that's crystal lattice. Hope you enjoyed this video. And now it's your turn. So for better experience, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more awesome videos on chemistry and science topics.